Boys and girls, I would like for you to meet Kiley and Riley. Kiley and Riley are school friends. They live in houses on top of two different hills. Between their homes, there is another hill. Sometimes Kiley and Riley like to visit each other's homes to play. You can help me tell the story. Just follow my hand motions. You can also help me by saying, when Kiley and Riley open their doors, come out of their doors, and close their doors. Now, one day, Kiley decided to visit Riley. She opened her door, stepped outside, and closed the door. Then she went down the hill and up the hill and down the hill and up the hill. And then she knocked on Riley's door. No one answered. Kiley called, Riley! And no one answered. So Kiley went down the hill and up the hill and down the hill and up the hill, and she reached her house. Kiley opened the door, went inside, and closed the door. The next day, Riley decided to visit Kiley. She opened her door, then she stepped outside and she closed the door. Then she went down the hill and up the hill and down the hill and up the hill. She knocked on the door. No one answered. Riley! No one answered. So Riley went down the hill and up the hill and down the hill. So she reached her house. Riley opened the door, went inside, and closed the door. The next day, Kiley decided to visit Riley. At the exact same time, they opened their door, stepped outside, and closed the doors. They went down the hill and up the hill and down the hill, and they met on top of the hill. At last, friends could come and play. They had such a good time that they played with all kinds of games, and they talked and they talked. Eventually, they noticed the sun was going down, and they knew it was time to say goodbye. Kiley said goodbye. Riley said goodbye. And they went down the hill and up the hill. And they opened their doors. And they went inside. And they closed their doors. And they went to sleep. The end.